Hi guys, I moved one of my Amigas out to the living room, and on my left side my son is playing his Xbox One, and daddy is playing some Amiga on the right side. And I just took the next box of discs, and to my big surprise, this one, none of the discs has any labels on. So as you can see, they have just some numbers, 134, 35, and so on and so on. And somewhere I have got, a book with all the necessary info, but I don't know where it is. I just want to say, this is just awesome. Now, I mean, on these I know what the discs contain, but here, I don't know, it's just surprise every time. And I'm finding these nice discs, guys. I mean, look at this. These are from where? Some magazine, maybe called Amiga. Don't know, but Handel 2, Hero Quest. Isn't that nice? Look at this. 1 megabyte required. Beneath the Steel Sky, one of my favorite DOS games back then. And these beautiful Workbench discs, it's just great, guys. I just want to share my happiness with you. You know how it is with me. So I'm looking forward to some amazing crack intros and awesome Amiga music. I just want to wish you a great weekend. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.